It's recording now. Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you are doing well. And today's video is a little bit different from any other videos because I'm vlogging. I'll take you one of my favorite place where I always buy fresh fruits, vegetables and dry nuts.
Ja.
Look at this. So beautiful. My kitchen is making me crazy. So I'm going to clean up my kitchen because we are going to prepare for Eid. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm standing in the Dolace kitchen where we record cooking videos. And normally this table is over there next to this cooking area. About this corner, it's quite well organized because I can see everything, I can find everything, lots of ingredients. I put them in the jars, and these jars came from the supermarket. I reused them. They had beans in them, some of them jams in them. So I don't need to do a lot with this area, but other areas such as drawers and cabinets, they are quite messy. Messy area number one. Ta-da! Lots of stuff. They are all spices. You may think lots of plastic bags, and why? They are less expensive. I tried to put them in lunch boxes, but it didn't work. Each time when we take them out and put them back, I can't find them again when I reuse them. So I absolutely need some smaller jars. So cute. I need this, and I need a lot. The mess area number two. They are all mixed up. Flour, chocolate flakes, and sugar, parchment paper. I need to take out all of them, clean up the space. This is one of the most important storage place in the kitchen, and I put everything here, such as coffee, tea, vitamins, and oil, party stuff, plates. I absolutely reorganize it as well. Rotterdam. It's free, you can go. This is the other side of the cube house. If you ever have a chance to come here, visit Rotterdam, you should come here. We are now at the market. One of my favorite places. I'm going to Ashley coming for this beautiful flowers. Look at this. Oh my, this is conic Dutch flower. Zo.
Nummer 2 kan ik voor je doen.
Ja, mag die roze?
Die hele mooie roos, ja.
Yes, en die andere.
Even kijken. Deze, ja, zeker. De landchick. Jij bent de chick.
Dankjewel. Assalamu alaikum. Die walnoot? Ja. Die, doe maar een 500 gram.
500 gram?
Yes.
Wilt u deze dadels zetten?
Ja.
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 Dank je wel. Een fijne dag verder.
We hebben hier 3,75 en 5,25.
Yes.
Ja,
Alsjeblieft. Look at this.
Arbeid,
So delicious.
Arbeid, 2 euro, 2
Een kilo van deze.
Arbeid, 2 euro.
Yes.
2 van 2 euro, 2 van 2 euro. Dag, dat was het.
Yes, dat was het.
2,85 euro. Arbeid 2 voor 2.
Yes, dank u. Finally, I got my kitchen done. As you can see, this area is also done. It looks so pretty and well organized. As you can see, I use this kind of boxes. It's so useful. And here I can find flour and pasta ingredients such as tomato pasta and ready ingredients and oil and salt and sugar. I put them together. And here all different kinds of beans. And here for the baking. Look at this, clean and organized. And this one, so cute. And look at these. Here is my tea collection. I've been planning this like for a long time and I'm pretty happy with all drawers. Eid Mubarak! Hayatınızga Mubarak olsun. I hope you have a wonderful Eid, my first vlog. If you like it, don't forget to like it, leave me a comment, subscribe to the Dolan Chick channel, and see you next week. Bye!